It's cold. It didn't even want to start. Really? Hit that glow plug longer. Might be too cold for it. Ha! Wow. That must mean my battery's dead. Wow, that's a first. That is a first. Wow, I've never had that happen. Well, should be plugging it in, I guess. Wow. Never seen this happen. Oh man, that is wild. Sounds like it's barely gonna run. I don't think it's gonna run. Oh yeah, I don't know. I mean, let's see if the Deutz fires up. And look at that, 9,907 hours. I don't even have a glow plug on this one, but let's see if it fires up. Oh, it's struggling. Oh, come on. Come on. Nothing. Turn it off for safety. This is with no glow plug, man. I've just been sitting here. Come on, baby, come on. So what I think is it's just gelled up. It's been cold out here and I haven't ran them. It's definitely gelled up. Darn. Here I got a classic one. This classic one it's got actually I believe it's a Lincoln Continental. This is a gas driven. My other Deutz and my other machines, they're all diesel, but this one right here, this is gas, and it's a good machine. But actually this one I'd like to raffle off or give away. You know, I'd like to do something special with this machine. Somebody deserves it. Okay, last shot. Let's try to get, whoop, put the glow plug on first before we really kick this one on. It's been cold out here, and you know, I haven't started these. We'll hit the glow plug here for a little bit and see if this 200D wants to fire up in this cold weather. It's cold out, man. The Miller won't start. The Deutz won't start. Let's see if this puppy starts. Come on, 200D, don't fail me now. Oh! Yeah! Gotta give it to Lincoln, man. My old faithful 200D.